Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Finding the sides on any 45, 45, 90 triangle. Here's one drawn out, and for the sake of argument, let's call the hypotenuse x. Since both angles are 45 degrees, we can call both sides a, we know they're the same length, and then we have the Pythagorean theorem, so we know a squared plus a squared is equal to x squared. Simplifying, 2a squared is equal to x squared, but then we can root both sides, and we can solve for x. This means x is equal to a times the square root of 2. So given any 45, 45, 90 triangle, we know the relationship between the three sides. We know the two legs have to have the same length, and we know the hypotenuse has to be the square root of 2 times larger. So for example, if I tell you you have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, and you know one of the legs is 7 centimeters long, you definitely know the other leg is 7 centimeters long, and even more than that, we know the hypotenuse has to be 7 times the square root of 2 centimeters long.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.